Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday, 1st of September. The new month is actually finally in, but unfortunately for Bitcoin still the trouble is there, okay? Wednesdays and Thursdays are very good days to expect Bitcoin to move higher, but the fact that Bitcoin is looking to make red candles back to back like this, that is not a good sign right there, okay? That's a very bad sign moving forward. So what do you do in this current situation? Well, I'm going to talk about this one. But to me, guys, I just want to talk about the weekly very quickly because there's nothing much going on in the smaller time frame. It's just a choppy market and cutting market right now. I don't even think it's a good idea to trade in a sideways market. Okay, that's very bad market. Okay, now at the moment we do have 3 days, 17 hours on the right side of your screen to to end up with this new weekly closing, and then from the weekly closing I do expect Bitcoin to actually close in the next 3 days down at $18,000, completing that 3 black rows. And if you do that 3 black rows, next week probably you could actually shoot a little bit back up to 19,200 and then boom, continue all the way down to 14,000 probably, or 16,000. So this is the resistance line that I want to talk about right now. And yeah, pretty much you're going to be losing that one at the moment, and then you go back for the retest a little bit and then boom, just continue to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update. It's going to be a very quick one, brief update, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.